Do you know that AI has a thousand of ways to express yourself? For example, if one person is stuck in to do anything, for example, it can be sports, it can be teaching, and it could be anything. So if you are stuck in anything, so AI has a thousand of ways. Yeah, the modern human cannot be these kind of ways. So if you want to improve yourself with a thousand of ways, with a thousand of methods or steps are here. Whenever you want to develop yourself, so you have 100% opportunity that is given by the modern AI only. Yes.
But modern humans, but modern AI cannot reflect. But modern AI cannot reflect the emotions which have humans, and also they cannot help in the physical needed situations, and many in the cases of the things. If you are saying that AI is teaching us, but teachers are also there and many people are also there, so why the modern AI is needing of us?
So you are saying that AI cannot reflect emotions, but you do you realize that over the past years the AI has done what people thought that they could not do. Like it now makes videos and photos, and soon enough in like 2030 it will also reflect the emotions of the people, and also teach. The AI is way better than teacher, and because the AI knows everything, but the teachers, they do not know a lot of things.
So how can you say that the teacher did not know anything? So the AI also collect the information and the theories and everything from the humans only, because humans have created the AI, and through the information the AI gives the thousand of ways to reflect the any question or any project.
But where the teacher are collecting data, because now a team have a desire to make any kind of states and data, so where the teacher collecting, they're only on making the AI only, they're only boom, they're only making the AI only, because now a time if you have a desire to make some kind of stats for any kind of desires, and now a time the student list is also very high. So now a time only on teachers are there who are also we are only on making stats only. That's why now a time teachers are very less according to the AI also, because AI is very bigger than all the people all over the world. That's why I'm saying that AI is best.
You are saying that AI like best, but like in the ancient time, the teachers were teaching us, and the humans like invented AI. If teachers didn't teach us, and like if we don't have knowledge and we didn't create AI, then there should be no AI in this era.
AI is very faster, because without AI you cannot do work very fastly. In the humans are not doing work fastly. With AI you can do very fastly, and most of the people are using AI.